finally tried this braid with coily crochet, also known as boho braids. And let me just say that this hairstyle is beautiful, but it's not for everyone. So in this video, I'm sharing why I tried it, what I love about it, and what I honestly don't like, and whether I'll do it again, especially if you are on a healthy hair growth journey. So let us dive into the video. I've been seeing this braid, everywhere, and a lot of people just, when you just see it, they make it look like it's perfect for low maintenance style. And I really wanted something really different. Okay, like I've been doing this mini braid all through the year, and I've not changed my hairstyle. So I decided to spice this up. Okay, I decided to, give myself a change of look. So that's the reason why I decided to try this hairstyle. And let's start with what I love about this style. The coils, honestly, the look of it. The coils add softness. Like this particular oily extension that I use is very, very soft, and it really makes the braid to look full and more styled without doing too much. Just very simple and easy. And then the second thing is that it is very versatile. Like you can wear this hairstyle anyhow you want to style it. So I'm definitely going to be doing a video of me styling it in a different way. I hope I record it and upload it too on YouTube. But yeah, if you don't see it here, probably going to be on TikTok. Well, I'll try my best to do it here, sure. So that's another thing I like about it, the fact that it is very versatile and also low daily styling stress, because it has been installed already. I don't need to be combing my hair every day, especially now that, in case you don't know, my hair is actually 4-month post relaxer. I'm sure you noticed it in the beginning of the video. I'm supposed to relax it, but I just had to change my mind. I'm probably going to talk about why I did not relax my hair in a later video. Once you install it, you don't have to be combing your hair or manipulating your hair every day, because I've lost the last braid I did for some time, and I just left my hair like that, packing it, and then sometimes I comb it. So that's just a whole lot of manipulation. So yeah, this installation helps to reduce breakage, and honestly, this style made me feel put together. Like it's just like I'm feeling myself like I look different from the usual mini braid girly, right? So now the downside of this particular hairstyle that people don't really talk about, but I feel like some people talk about it though, is the coils that tangle. If you don't separate or moisturize them properly, they start to mat. And also, it's not zero maintenance, because initially I talked about the fact that it is low maintenance, low manipulation rather. Low manipulation is different from low maintenance, okay? So this one is not a zero maintenance kind of hairstyle. You still need to oil your scalp, protect it at night, and be gentle. So another side is the takedown. If you are not patient, you can actually cause unnecessary shedding or breakage while removing the crochet coils, especially when this particular way I did mine. I crocheted some part of it, but if you notice, she helped me. She braided it and added, as she was braiding the hair, she added the coils to it. And then when we finished, she also crocheted some parts of the braid that look spacious. You get me? So yeah, it's pretty, but it requires intention. So now we're going to talk about who this hairstyle is for. This hairstyle is actually great if you want a protective style that doesn't look plain, which is the first reason why I did this hairstyle. I didn't want something too plain. I wanted different look, okay? And then you don't mind light maintenance. That means you still have to be maintaining the hair. And then if you are gentle with your hair. So, but if you hate the tangling or you want something that is completely carefree, then this hairstyle might frustrate you. You don't want to try it. So overall, I like this hairstyle, but knowing the pros and cons help you to enjoy it without damaging your hair. So let me know in the comment section, would you like to try these mini braids with coily crochet? Let me know yes or no in the comment section. And if you want more hair experience, protective styles, hair growth tips, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when I upload that. See you guys in my next video, where I will be showing you guys the maintenance of this hairstyle and what the hairstyle look after some days of making the style. So see you guys. Bye.